Bangkok Day 2 tayo dito everyone. And we're going to Temple Run. Ay! Temple hopping tayo dito everyone. Wat Arun, Grand Palace kung kaya pa. And Wat Pho. So, come on guys! So, we are crossing the Thailand. Kami guys. Punta kami doon. Super init. Bye! So, nandito tayo everyone sa kahabaan ng EDSA. Ay, hindi ko kaya. Walk trip sa EDSA. So, ayan. Pupunta kami ng Ratchadamri Metro South Station. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Wait lang. Love. Okay. This one, everyone, is God of Love. Okay. Ayan. God of Love. Ayun na, sinabi ko lang. Yung nakita natin doon kanina ito. And ito, God of Love. Walking, papuntang Ratchadamri South Station. I don't know if it's south or north, so whatever. So, ayan. Dire-diretso kami. Ito, Big C pala ulit. Big C ulit. Dito kasi yung walk papuntang Ratchadamri Station at dun kami bababa. Sakay, then other war. After nun, nilipat kami ng other green, dark green line. And then, mapupuntahan na namin ang Wat Arun. Okay, let's go by. North walk pala, ni South. And then, BTS station. Dahil kami sasakay ng Wat Arun. Sapra. Okay, bye. Hi, Mommy! Let's go! Okay, we're here at Ratchadamri Station. Kasi, nung date 1 namin, doon kami sa kabila dumaan. But now, we're going here. Straight ahead. Ang laki ng butik niyo. Iyak. Magsara na kayo. Sure. Look at that, guys. Yeah, you see that? Oh. So pretty. Cafe. Si-search ko ngayon kung magkano dyan. Hanap ako ng ano. Ladyboy. Check. Ganda ng dress ko pero mamaya na ako magpupunan. Kasi it's really hot in here in Bangkok. So we're walking sa kahabaan ng Ratchadamri. Tapat yung araw. So yan, dito walking up. Bye! Ha? Sa Dubai, yung bus station, girl, may aircon. Dito wala. So bye. Shit. Super hot. Sa bus, dito na kami. Paakyat na ng Ratchadamri Station. So let's go. Ba't walang tao? Walang tao lang dito. So yeah, ulit naman kami. Yeah, so Bangkok kami. Yes. Double check ni Mami kung tama ba yung tinatahak namin kasi wala siyang tiwala sa akin. Wala siyang tiwala sa pagiging tour guide natin, everyone. Sa metro station na kayo. Single journey. The 150 is for whole day lang. Of all. I think better 150.
30 minutes only?
30 minutes go, 30 minutes better, and then 1 hour.
1 hour.
This is our passport. Yeah. This is our passport.
At the end on the
We will just show this one. Okay.
it can cost.
So yes, let's go guys. We're getting off to the Hop and Hop Chao Phraya boat. So we're going to Wat Arun Temple. So yes.
Yes,
4-2? What arrow? Ito na lang. Ay, drinks din siya. But for one clip?
The big size.
Yeah, the big size is 80.
How much?
Only 10, like that.
How much? How much?
I don't understand. How much?
How much you can pay?
10, like that. Only clip.
หรือว่าเป็นที่
Okay.
behind
Each 80 baht. Isa. Oh, wait. 10 baht lang. So everyone, we're here at Arun Cafe. So yeah, we just order a lemon honey and honey lemon soda. So here, yeah, because it's really hot pa dito sa Wat Arun. So we just drink some refreshment. Worth it. Honey lemon soda. Diba? Nagsasuggest ako sa kanilang ito order nila. Going to the studio. Magpapalit ako ng damit. Ayan. Ito ang Wat Arun. Ayan. Pero super init pa. Ay! Buo ba siya? Super init pa. Kaya magpapalit na lang muna kami ng... Ako pala. Ng costume. So yeah, let's go. Come with me. Wait lang, isa-search ko lang kung saan. So yeah, papasok kami guys. Oops, yeah. Ang dress ko. Ay. Sabog. Ano pala to? So, ayan. Kailangan nakapaa. So, I'm getting my sandals again. So, ayan. Maghahanap tayo guys ng magandang color. What should big? What? Big?
他说没有，你妹说是他的。
You big?
Yeah. So big. Yeah, it's not good for me. Not fit for me.
ใช่
Okay, other...
big อย่างเงี้ยเพราะฉะนั้นเรานี้
okay. This is dark blue? No, I don't want this kind of color. More dark. Skin? Yeah. Skin. For my skin, yeah. Dark blue. Or red. Okay. Blue is not really. Maybe red. Yeah, I'll take red.
อ่ะเลสเนี่ย
Okay, okay. This is red. Yeah, this is red. Nice. This is nice. Yeah, this nice. So what's the top? I'll take red.
พอเอาสีฟ้าจะเอาสีแดง
Ayoko ng pink.
you okay
Like that and then top. Okay.
okay you no change แล้วนะ
Yeah.
โอเคเวทนะเวทนะ
It's good.
ไม่รู้ใครแม่ก็ยืนตรงนั้นใครจะเจอข้างนอก
dove hai messo la busta?
Dentro lo zaino.
Thank you. Yes. Sino ka? What's your name? Tan. Hi, Tan. Thank you so much. Say hi to my vlog. Thank you. Boosh! Sawadika! So, ayan. O, diba? Grabe ang transition ni Sables. Feet check! Look. Feet check. So, we will go to Wat Arun Tower. Tower, eme-eme niya lang, guys. So, look. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta. So, look at my outfit. It's nice. Okay. Pinapatawad ko na kayo. Hala, naging ano siya. Hindi, mali. Bye. What arrow? Yes, we will take a picture there, okay? Let's go. Yeah. Video? Kasi super taas. Yeah, everyone. Diba? Na parang gusto nyo makit pa doon. Gusto nyo makit pa doon sa taas? Gusto nyo? Mag-isa kayo. So let's go. Let's explore around Wat Arun. Oh, there's a Buddha there. Ano? Aray ko, parang malalaglag ako dahil. Wait lang. Yan yung tinatahak namin. Saksakan ng init. Ano lang, what's a picture? Sarap.
It's okay. It's okay.
Me. Ayan ang look natin today. So ayan, hindi na ako nakapag talagang vlog totally dahil nag-picture-picture na kami malala. Oh my God, nasisira yun. So ayan. So this is my outfit for today. For today, tatanggalin ko yung mga. For the red and red lipstick. So ayan. Sobrang ano na. Ay, shucks. Sobrang ano na mukha ako. Pero yeah. So, may papakita ko sa inyo guys. This one. Mist. Ayan. In-affiliate. Ang ganda nito para ma-refresh ka ulit. Ayan. Para ma-refresh ka ulit. Kaya go for the go na tayo for totoan checking. Charot ni Kagagin. Balik ko dito, girl, 4 na mga photographer ang magpapapicture. Magpapicture sa akin. Pagdating ko, flight attendant na ako. So, we're going out na for outfit change. Hindi ko na kaya, tol. Kasi sobrang init eh. Hindi na ako natutuwa, tinatopak na ako. Diba? So, let's go na. We're going out na. Kasi super init na. And after this, we're going back to Cavite. Ay, hindi mo kaya. Balik na tayo guys ng papalit change, outfit change. And then, yeah, let's go. Come with me. Gamit ko yung phone ni Mami kasi I'm fully. Sorry. I'm a fully full na ang aking GB. So, kaya nag-change ako. Pwede nilalakaran namin. Nang. Oh, thank you. What are you? So, yes, we're gonna outfit change na. Kuya, hi. Say hi. Hi. Balik tayo. Ay, oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung saan. Wait lang. Mag-change na tayo, guys. So, dito kami. Ayan, dito kami nag-costume. So, I'll go change na. Dito sa, ayan, Kawentai. So, ito ang kanilang, so, I'll go change.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll go change na. So, bye. So, mag-change na ako, guys. So, bye! Kapunta! I changed already na. Red tuloy lipstick. So, tapos na kami, guys. Thank you. Hi kami. Too much. Yeah, tapos na kami, guys, for the Thai costume. So, yeah. We're going to Wat Po. Bye! Yeah. Wait lang. Nasa in the middle of the sea kami. Thailand Street ng Wat Po. Ay, galing. Yung mga, ay, sabog. Okay. Ayan. Marami dito, everyone. Ayan, may 150, may 200. Thai costume. There's a lot, actually. There's also offer packages like with makeup, hair dresses, and also accessories and costumes. Yan, for only like 1,500 if you want a private package. Private package ng costume nila. So yeah, ako nag-dress lang ako, and then hair and also accessories. So yeah, we're going back to Wat Arun, to the pier of Wat Arun, and going to okay. Nagalitan kami kasi bawal ang kitaang. So ayan, buti may pantaklabak. Muntik ko pa siya mawala kanina kasi nalaglag, di ba, Mi? Nalaglag sa Wat Arun kanina, muntik ko pa siya malaglag. Ha? Nalaglag sa Wat Arun, muntik ko pa malaglag. So ayan, bawal kasi dito na open, kitang-kita, which to give respect sa temple. And also dito, temple. Oh, yan, basta. Ayan! Kailangan magtakad. Ewan ko kung nakita sa video yun. But yeah, we're going back. Naka-red lipstick tuloy ako. Kasi red yung ano ko, yung Thai costume. Ang ano lang dito, ang bigat ng phone mo, eh. Malaki kasi. So yan, papasok na kami ulit. We'll be right back. Oh, yan. Okay, papasok na kami ulit. Hi, Mommy! Pagod na siya. Hindi niyan siya na totowa sa everyone. Okay. That's good. Gusto mo ka na. Dadaanan natin. Ayan. A lot of temple here. There's a lot of temple. Ayan, ito. Pinapatunog nila. Ay, bata pala. Ewan ko, I don't know if this structure is made made of gold. I don't know if this structure is made of gold. Ano ba? Parang I want the cold water. May here! Mag-pray ka muna. Thank you, Mommy, for the experience. Love you. Let's go na. Wat Pho. Wat Pho is the reclining Buddha. Ayan. Nakatakot pag umakit pa sa taas, no?
Wala na.
Grabe.
Ito na lang. Dito na tayo.
Wala kaya ng mom ko kasi batang-bata pa siya. Diba? Diba, Mi? So, say goodbye to Wat Arun. Bye! Yeah. We're going na to Wat Pho. Hindi tayo pumunta pala dito sa harap. Sa labas lang kami. Ay, sa loob lang kami nagpicture ni Mami. Pero doon na kami lumabas kasi we're really tired. Pagod na kami. Diba? Hindi ko na na-videohan kung paano kami nag-picture kasi pagod na kami. So, ayan. Say goodbye na to Wat Arun. You see that? Bye. Ha?
Kabila tayo pila.
Yeah. The other side. Gusto ko na nagbabagang yelo. Dito na tayo sa pier na to. Because we're going to Rajini. Rajini.
Chicken. Chicken.
Ciao, Pattaya. Happen ho. Promise.
Beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
Oh, where you come from?
Philippines. This good. Snowy Buddha. Pattaya. So, we're waiting. Ayan. We're waiting for the pier. Ayan.
What to, but it's 10 baht. But I don't want to pay. I pay it already. So,
What excited?
Yeah. I'm a tour guide. Go.
hungry. We're thinking that there is a boat coming, but they said we need to
Yeah.
pay.
Ito yung tour guide. Sabi ko, mag-replace ko na siya. Kasi hindi siya marunong.
Yeah. But our boat is like this because it's all-day ride. So we have
Excuse me. What time Wat Pho close?
what time?
Yeah, what time?
Where?
In Wat Pho, what time? Close.
6:30.
6, 7, 8.
Ah, 6.
Open? 6, 7, 8.
I think it's close 6:30.
Ah, yeah, 6:30. We still have 30 minutes, but 5 minutes, 10 minutes walk from Rajini. I think we cannot go. We cannot go to Wat Pho na. So we go back to Icon Siam. So much dami people there, out there, my God. So bye, Wat Arun. Bye, Wat Arun. Bye. Alright na. Yun, may aircon. Pero we're heading down to Asiatic. So let's go. Yeah. Tapos until what time is the boat to Saturn? Until what time?
This boat,
Yeah.
last boat 7:30.
7:30 last boat.
And this boat 10 p.m.
Ah, that one it can go to Saturn? Yeah. Hanggang 10 p.m. yun, no? Yung boat na yun. Ang metro? No, hindi ko alam. Tanong lang. Asiatic. Yan, a lot of restaurant. Dito. Jurassic World Experience. Yan gusto ni Mami. Jurassic World. Itong boat na lang sakyan natin, Mi. Mabawi. Asian Ooh, sawadika. So, come on, let's find something to eat. Hear me. Ito 720. Wait lang. Last boat is 720. Excuse me. What boat is alternative? What boat is alternative if this is only for 730? Yeah. What is the alternative boat? Site na naiintindihan, bala ka dyan. Basta 10 PM sabi kanina, sa kabilang boat. So yeah, let's go guys. So let's go. Parang dito maganda mag-picture ng aking outfit. We'll find something. Yan, naghahanap tayo ng food dito. Warehouse 7. Warehouse 7. Doon may mga mura. So, mahirap pag nagbablog ka tapos tour guide ka din. Tour guide ako ni Mama. Dapat hindi ako naka-red lipstick. Kaso color red yung costume ko kanina. Sabi ko, red lipstick will be really suit to my warehouse 9. Warehouse lahat to, but station 7, like something like that. Ayan na, may mga Thai questionables. So yan. Okay. Dito lang ako, Mi. So yan, here lang si Mami. So we will find warehouse 7 since nandun yung lahat ng mga murang food. Doon kami kakain. Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain actually mula kanina. Actually, mula morning, wala kami kain. Ayun lang, kain na kami kakain. So, kamudas. May Watson din pala dito. There's also Watson here. Bye. Parang kinahiniya ako ng mga tao dito. Bahala kayo sa mukha. Yeah, but look at my outfit everything. Hindi ko mapakita. Mamaya na lang pagkakain na kami. But yeah, we will find something to eat kasi girl, wala pa kaming kain mula kanina umaga. Kaya, hanap kami. Bye. Parang ang ganda ko dito sa cellphone ni Mami. Parang ang pretty ko dito. Okay, what if makipag-swap ako? Hindi, kasi pagagalitan niya na ako. Diba, nawala ako na nga yung cellphone ko dati. iPhone. Ganda. Kasi full storage na ako, guys. So, wala na. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog dun sa phone. And, init niya na. Right? So, yeah. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Okay.
Very good.
Tapon ka, no? Ayun, meron pa dun, no? Masarap kumain dito. Masarap kumain dito. Narinig nyo ba yun, guys? Masarap kumain dito. O, diba? discount. 20% discount? We want 50. Thank you, kapon ka. Ari ko. Nakakain ba to? Wow, sarap. Ha? Tara. Ganda dito. Ganda rito. Asia Tea. I love this place. Asia Tea. Comfortable. So, Elephant. Tingnan niya kung magkano palitan. So yeah, please ticket, we're gonna find. Dito na yung mga mura. Hahanap kami ng ng lunch, dinner, breakfast, lahat na. Kasi di pa kami kumakain, guys. So, mami. Bad trip na siya sa akin. Saka kulit ako. Kaapihan ko lang. That one. Later. Diyan na tayo sasakay. May pauwi, ah. May. Itong boat. Mauna na ako? Mauna na daw ako kasi sabi ko ito yung sasakyan namin. Ooh, Jurassic World! Ang sarap! Authentic tayo this.
Hindi na tayo dito dumaan na.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain eh, mami. Na-stress na kami. Wow! Mini Solan! Ito naman ang parang food fair nila. Ayun, durian. Mamaya na, kumain na muna tayo. Parang sinakop na tayo ng mga Amerikano. No?
Bakit?
Ang dami Amerikano. Sana ito na, guys. Sana please. Dito na kami. Ayan, gusto ko na yan eh. Ang sarap ng calamari. No discount?
One eternity later.
Okay, okay. This line, this line.
And then one Sprite.
Okay. Spicy, okay? You can do.
Spicy, medium.
Yeah. Okay.
Medium
As
na
you see.
spicy na.
What is this? Soda?
Yes, about.
Cucumber?
Yeah, same.
Soda cucumber.
Yes. Same sparkling water with lemon.
Ah, lemon.
Yeah.
No, I don't want Sprite. One this.
Okay.
Can you repeat the order?
We order.
What is this? What is it? Only this. We order this one and this one. Shrimp. Yeah, one shrimp and one tom yum sliced pork. And then, one this one. Pag ako nainis, tatalon ako talaga dyan. Makainit. One dot. So we're done eating na, everyone. We will try this. Ang dami! Ang dami talaga. Okay. Okay siya to. Sa Natakit Decor, ito yung one of the most cheapest na pwedeng mabilhan dito sa Asiatic. So yeah, let's try. 160. We'll get 4. No, this is the... Yeah, you know, we came from the Philippines. 160. We'll get 4, ah.
I say discount 200 and discount again for you.
No, I saw there's a...
175, okay.
No. 160, last price, we get 4.
Thank you.
Okay. 160. 160. I win. Okay. Ganun tumawad, guys.
Oh, saan ba sila?
Ganun tumawad. So, I win. So cute. Elephant. No freebies?
One year.
Wow! Thank you for the freebies! Kapunta! Thank you so much! What's your name?
My name is Pong. Supra Pong.
So, I'm Nika. So, hi to my vlog! Thank you so much! Kapunta! Salamat! Bigyan tayo ng free, guys. Ganun, kung gusto nyo ng may freebies or something.
When you tell come here, I give you mura-mura.
Way back again kasi bibili kami ng dito sa natakit mabalik kami here again, we'll buy the bag. Yeah, 50
50 baht, yeah, inside.
like that. Maliit, yeah, maliit.
What color you like?
Ang ganda ng rep magnet na yan. Ito yun ang patinitingnan. Yan, ganyan. Cute. It's cute. Yeah, it's cute, guys.
Thailand, Bangkok, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
How much this one?
Denim for 50.
Anim for 50.
Yeah.
Ito.
50. Tatlo 100.
Tatlo 100. Nice.
Yeah. What color you like?
Pink.
Pink, yeah.
I love the pink. I want this one, that one, that pink keychain. I love that. Ay, mami, gusto ko ito. I want this one.
I can do 40.
I want this one. Bye. Ito pala to, no? Nasa Tondo pala kami, guys. Walang elevator. Pwede naman tumawid na lang dito. Pwede ba tumawid na lang? Andun yung hotel namin. Ang sakit na ako. Hindi na lang. Ayoko na, tol. Pagod na ako. Pagod na ako, pero ano. Hi guys, we're at hotel na. Ulit na kami sa hotel. So, nasa lobby lang kami. And, yeah, i-outro ko lang. Kasi nga, i-save ko to. Wala na akong storage. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Banquet Day 2. Love you all.